Alright folks, we're out here at the pond and we didn't come out here for 2 or 3 weeks and the whole picnic table has been moved. It's gone. And I don't know where it went to. They moved it and it's gone. So we're going to be shooting today. This old broken black computer, it belonged to my sister. It doesn't work anymore. Every time it turns on, it blue screens. So it's getting its final knuckins, and another lesson in why we don't tolerate broken bullshit. Anyway, let's begin. That's my sister on the Marlin 22. I brought one of the big dogs today. Standard capacity, by the way. Not quite 20 rounds, but a formidable bunch. Now see, with the picnic table being gone, I've got to change my seating arrangement. Alright. Alright sis, you get the first shot.
Okay, I'm trying to get it square.
Alright, let me see.
I think I missed.
Alright, my turn.
Okay.
When life gives you lemons, you work your way around and figure shit out.
Are we even hitting it?
Yeah, I've nailed it a few times.
I can't tell if I am or if I'm not.
Yeah, you hit it right there.
I did? That thing is loud.
Alright. Alright, your turn.
There we go. Piece of grass is in my way.
Man, my table's shaking, but I'm still lighting that sumbitch up.
I feel the vibrations and everything, and
I'm gonna have a lot of brass to pick up.
I dropped a bullet.
That was it. And it didn't hurt my paint job. Huh?
I said I dropped a bullet.
Yeah, you're alright. Woo! I got the barrel a little hot. I'll watch you.
bugs.
Are you putting the crosshairs right on it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Try holding up just a tad, like put it on the thick part on that bottom reticle, bottom of the reticle. Oh, just hit right above it. Aim a little bit lower.
Okay.
Hit it.
I was gonna say, I think I was hitting them that whole time.
You probably were.
Because I was right on it.
Let's go survey the damage. You go ahead and put one more in.
Well, I can't get
Here.
it.
So you bolt to the rear, safety on, hand me your rifle.
Mine's on safe.
It didn't eject that first one.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta jerk that bolt back with some authority. Here you go.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, you're welcome.
I was wondering what. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put it on fire.
That's alright. Good shot. Hit it. Alright, let's go look at it. Alright, we're walking up on the computer. Oh my God.
Destroyed. Yeah, I hit every single shot.
Yeah, you did, and I did too. See, here's all my 308s. Right up through there.
Uh-huh.
Put one right through there.
I didn't have a bad group. Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Straight up,
Yeah.
straight down.
We both clipped it up here.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Yeah, we knocked something out of it right there. Yeah, I wasn't doing too bad either. But mine, I put one right through there, and so did you.
Uh-huh.
Right through there. But my stand was shaking pretty bad, but I would wait until it came back to a complete stop and quit moving, and I'd shoot it again. Oh yeah.
Jeez.
Hello Kitty got fried. Oh damn, look at that.
Oh my God.
Jeez oh Pete. Wow. Let's see, let's open it back up. There we go. Yeah, that's some pretty devastating crap right there.
Uh-huh. I'm excited though that I actually did get to form like a line right through there.
Yeah.
Look right there where I got it.
I actually think that's one of mine. See, see, that's a 308 and that's a 22.
Okay. I was like, I couldn't tell, but man.
Yep, somebody else is shooting and making fun of us. All right, well, let's go back and shoot it some more.
Yeah.
All right, shooting 5 offhand at the computer. Okay, camera can see me. All right. Back off to 8 power. Uh-oh.
Did it fall into the creek? Oh no.
That magazine jammed again.
You can't see the computer now.
It turned it sideways.
Yeah. Oh. Look at that thing don't fall.
Alright. That M14's problem came back, or the magazine problem, I mean. Alright, that was it. Yep. Magazine jammed up on the last round again. Wow. I don't know. That's weird. It's done that before. It's that same one. The gray one. And you guys all see me. I ran about 18, 19 of them flawlessly, however many that was. So, I don't know. Oh well. I'll figure it out somehow. Let's go check out its Best Buy warranty. Alright, you're following me. Okay. I fixed the motherfucker.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm filming.
Okay.
And that's what happens when shit breaks. I don't tolerate it.